Well, the summer season starts in a couple of weeks, which means it's time to one-up your neighbor and install your own swimming pool.
Yeah, Jillian and I have never worn wool coats in a pool before.
It's a first.
We thought a backyard pool would break the bank. Well, think again.
Hi, Skip and El brought all the pools with him. Round of applause for Skip wherever you are.
Woo!
Hey guys,
They're
thank
being
you.
scourged by the pool.
Hey, thanks for having me back here.
San Juan Pools has helped make this happen.
Yeah,
right?
so San Juan Pools are unbelievable. I got to tell you, I installed one in my house last year, and it was the best thing I ever did for my yard and my
Now,
family.
they have two versions,
We just
an
love it.
above ground or a below.
Above ground and below ground too. They're all fiberglass construction, which is much lower maintenance than concrete. Best part is you can install these in as little as 1 day.
Wow.
So amazing.
Installed, called me at the end of the day, said the pool's in it.
Yeah,
So-
yeah, you come home from work and it's there.
How'd you
But you
do
know,
that?
a lot of people think they can't afford a swimming pool. It's a huge expense. And San Juan Pools makes it with 100% financing. They have over 100 different models to choose from. So that they have one model for your backyard or for your budget. And what's super cool is that, you know, they have something that's going to fit your backyard one way or the other. In ground, above ground, whatever it is that
Explain
you want.
this one.
Yeah, this is
So
cool.
isn't this thing awesome? That's why I wanted to bring it here. I've never seen anything like it. This is called the Fun Deck. So this can be put in ground or above ground. It has a vanishing edge hot tub that spills over into it, right? And then you have
So
these.
we would be in water.
You would be you'd be in the hot tub
too?
right now, right?
This
And the
is how the water
vanishing
spills over.
edge waterfall over the side, and then you can put lounge chairs out here and actually lounge in the sun in like a foot of water and just hang out in the sun. So you get the best of both worlds.
So
You
it's
get
not a hot tub, or it is?
It is a hot tub and a lounging area, or you can fill that all the way up and have it like a little pool, or you put it above your pool and have it spill over into your pool.
Right.
So this thing is like, you know, super versatile. Best part is they can install these things really quick. 100% financing, you really can have a pool.
And cheaper than a gunite pool.
It's so much cheaper because you don't have to maintain it. Every
Right.
couple of years, you got to come back and resurface your concrete pool.
A friend of mine got a pool like that. He lives on the water on a canal. They floated it down the canal.
Yeah.
And they put it in 2 hours.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, they just put it on a barge.
So Kirk Sullivan, I love this guy from San Juan Pools. He made all this possible. They've actually flown them in with a helicopter on the roofs of a hotel in Las Vegas.
If you'd like more
Dropped it in.
information, go to skippadell.com. Skip, thank you.